In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Sora AI account, step by step, if guide. We'll move through the process together from search to selection so you can upgrade with confidence. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. This keeps things simple and ensures you land on the official site, even if you don't have the exact URL handy. In the search bar, type Sora and press enter. You'll see several results. Look for the official Sora AI website. It should clearly reference Sora and load over a secure connection. If you're unsure, check for the secure padlock in your browser and a trustworthy domain before you click. Once you're on the official Sora site, look to the upper right corner of the page and click the profile icon. This is where account-related controls live. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in first. Go ahead and do that so the site can display your account details. After you're in, locate the section labeled My Plan. This area summarizes what you're currently on, whether that's a free tier or an existing paid subscription. Next, click Manage Plan. Think of this as your control center for upgrades, downgrades, and billing settings. This page is designed to help you make changes safely, and it usually includes a comparison of options, renewal dates, and any applicable terms. Now, it's time to choose a plan. Take a moment to compare the benefits listed for each option. Consider how often you use Sora, whether you need higher usage limits, priority access, or features that are only available on paid tiers. If there's a monthly and an annual choice, weigh flexibility versus savings. Annual plans often cost less over time, but renew in one payment. Double-check the currency and region shown on the page so pricing reflects your location, and scan for notes about trials, renewal dates, and taxes. If the plan mentions any credits or limits, make sure they align with your workload so you're not paying for capacity you won't use. When you're satisfied with your selection, proceed with the on-screen prompts to confirm your upgrade. You may be asked to review billing details, acknowledge terms, or verify the change before it takes effect. After confirmation, you should see your plan reflected in My Plan. If it doesn't update immediately, refresh the page. Keep an eye out for a confirmation email or receipt in your inbox, and remember you can return to Manage Plan anytime to review, switch, or cancel in accordance with the stated terms. That's it. You've upgraded your Sora AI account.